Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video, I'll be showing you how you can transfer from Coinbase wallet to Coinbase. In order to transfer money from your Coinbase wallet to your Coinbase account, all you have to do is open up your Coinbase wallet account, and once you open it up, this is how it's going to look like. So while you're on this page, click the send or the upward arrow icon located in the top right hand side corner. On the other page, it's going to ask you to select an asset, the asset that you wish to send it to your Coinbase.com or Coinbase account. Once done entering the information, here you'll need to go ahead and select the asset, select the destination. So basically you'll have to provide in the information of your Coinbase.com, or you can also provide in a number or an ID whatsoever and click the continue button. Now moving on with the other steps, you have to provide in the amount of crypto that you wish to send it to the following user. So you have to enter in the exact amount and then click the preview button located right at the bottom. So for the confirmation, you'll need to go through all of the information right over here. If you're sure about it, then click the send now button. As soon as you do that, you've successfully transferred from Coinbase wallet to Coinbase.com. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.